How to manifest keys you need to know. In this video today, we're going to be going over some quick tips around manifestation. Consider this video a toolbox for you to grab letting and allowing, grab onto visualizing, grab onto a couple of key things around manifestation. You can put into your toolbox, put into your mind today to allow you to manifest even greater. Hey, Scott Haug here with the Manifestation Accelerator, where manifestations and results are made easy. We're going to jump into a video right away, and before we do, throw a like on the video. It's going to send out to a lot more people, and together we can upgrade the consciousness of this planet. Click subscribe and then click the bell icon as well so you get notified when we send out other great manifestation how-to content, as this is your go-to channel for getting manifestation results, tangible physical results that you are looking for. So let's jump right into it here. These keys that you're going to be watching here, I actually put subtitles so that you can take notes as you're going through, and then put a major topic at the very top to allow yourself to actually, here's the topic, here's the words, here's the topic, here's the words, okay? It's gonna be phenomenal for you. Just before we jump into that content, also comment below a comment to activate a financial phrase, something you wanna manifest. So use a phrase, I just now received blank amount of money. What it's gonna do is activate that phrase before you actually jump into the video. So I just now received $10,000, thank you universe. I just now received $2,000 unexpectedly, thank you universe. Put that in the comments first, because again, what it does is you're gonna activate that phrase. You're gonna actually put the intention, you're gonna have accountability, you're gonna actually put that energy into the universe, drop that as the emotional seed into your subconscious mind, and boom, things are going to start to move towards that direction. Okay, comment that below. Let's transition right into the videos right now. So there's so many people out there constantly blocking themselves from the manifestations and the good that they desire by self-sabotaging thoughts. Then they're constantly thinking, where's my manifestation? When's it going to come? Where are the results? And every time they think that or even speak it out loud, they're actually blocking themselves from the good that they desire. So there's a simple process to help ourselves let and allow a lot better and literally flow into manifestation rather than block ourselves from manifestation. And one of the first elements of this is intentional feeling. Now, when you actually think about the good that you desire, you want to picture it in the screen of your imagination. And the key here is feeling it. So you go ahead and close your eyes. You visualize on the screen of your imagination what it is that you desire. You feel it to be true now by matching your inner thought process with the end result that you want. And boom, you'll start to activate that into motion. The second point here to do for letting and allowing is to be present. A lot of people are constantly in the future. They're constantly saying, where is it? When's it going to come? All those ideas. What we want to do is pull back a step and actually just be in the present moment. Then the last core aspect here, step number 3, is to allow what we call the bridge of incidents or bridge of happenings to unfold. Understanding that the universe is going to help provide you the opportunities. You're going to attract the people you need for the desire to come true, to get the results that you want, whatever that may be. So follow step number 1, and that is, again, closing your eyes, imagining what you want and feeling it to be true today. Step number 2, being present in the moment rather than thinking in the future. Just be still and very much be aware of your conscious thinking and attention right now. And then step number 3, be aware that the universe is on your side. Be patient, allow things to start unfolding, what we call the bridge of incidents, and you'll be right on your way to effortless and flowing manifestations. Today we're going to be applying one of the most powerful manifestation techniques on the planet. Now, most people who study personal development, whether they're an entrepreneur in business or they have a full-time job, they're constantly trying to absorb more and more content, believing that's the answer, rather than actually just applying what they've already learned. So they'll binge watch YouTube videos over and over and over. They'll go from this person to this person, spirituality, manifestation, laws of the universe, you name it, whatever it is. Or it could be books that they're reading or audiobooks. But the essence is they keep consuming more knowledge without actually changing their consciousness. And that's really where the results come into play anyways. When you change your consciousness, the results start to shift. So what we want to talk about in this most powerful technique, if you will, is the idea of concept thinking. We want to repeat to ourselves one thing that if we believed in it, it would change everything. Most people believe in the side things are hard, they're difficult, they're challenging, slow progress or anything like that. We want to shift our thinking and our beliefs to love, joy, progress. Love, joy, progress. If we could believe more of the time and we could think more thoughts about love, joy, and progress, what we're going to do is start sending energy out and activating that feeling. We're going to believe at a very deep level that love, joy, and progress is a part of our lives. The more we believe into that, this universal field that we're all living in and we're all connected with, you and I and everybody else, we're going to start to actually zone in and actually believe it. We're going to activate the energy, and it's going to thus react and give us the energy in return. So the affirmation to repeat is love, joy, progress, and we do this for 7 days straight, every single day, allowing ourselves to truly become the essence of those keywords there. Molly, I still see every day people who study personal development believing in these two dumb limiting beliefs. And by believing it, self-sabotaging their progress, their happiness, their relationship. And if they would just shift off of that and into a little different way of thinking, their results, their happiness and everything would soar a lot easier and a lot more flowing than ever before. First limiting belief that I hear every single day still is, I've already heard this before. I've already learned this stuff, right? They go into a new self-help book, a new personal development video, whatever it is, and they've heard the content before about affirmations, visualizations, gratitude, thinking, whatever it is. And they say, I've already heard this stuff before. I don't need to learn this. But if they looked at their results, their happiness level, their alignment level, their relationships, their results in any area of life, it almost indicate they've never heard this stuff in their lives. So if they would just shift off of that and go into the thinking of, let me be coachable in a beginner's mind. Maybe I've heard this before, but maybe I can learn it better today. Maybe I've heard this before, but have I applied this, and how could I if I haven't already? Shifting that would shift everything. Limiting belief number 2 is, this stuff just doesn't work for me. Who are you, right? When you say that, it's not like the universe is saying, you're going to win today, you're going to win today, you're going to win today. Oh, you're going to lose. No, it doesn't work like that. The universe isn't just sending out victimhood on who gets a good day and who gets a bad day, or who it works for or who it doesn't. It works for everyone. It's really a change in mindset. Not that it doesn't work for me. It's a change in mindset of, how can I be more ready, and how can I start to attract more good into my life? It's a change in mindset, realizing it works for everyone. Maybe I haven't worked it good enough yet. Not that the universe isn't working it. Maybe I haven't worked it good enough yet. And then you'll have this easy button saying, that was easy, to all of your manifestations coming in quicker and better than ever. Affirmation 950, I am successful. Affirmation 951, I am and I can do this and be the accomplishment. Manifestation, affirmation, I can't even remember what I'm saying. Affirmation 970, I can do this. If you're like me, I used to do 10,000 affirmations. It used to take me an hour in the morning, an hour at night. And honestly, I wouldn't feel anything I was saying. Eventually, I was just trying to get the affirmations done. I'd have stacks of paper everywhere. But I learned a long time ago that it's not about the amount of affirmations you do, it's about how you do it. And doing one affirmation and actually feeling it to be true today is all that matters. So we try to boil down all these pages of affirmations into just maybe a page or 2 pages, or even a fewer than that, 1 to 3 affirmations, but truly feeling it to be real today. Feeling it to be the actual physical results in your life today, or feeling it to be true in your imagination, that is the key. The feeling is the key, not the actual truckload of affirmations that we do. Once we feel it, we're in that vibration of it, and we start to attract it into our lives.